Hi, I'm Chelsea Coles and I'm a Youth Engagement and Progression Officer for YEPS. Almost 5,000 young people aged 11 to 25 across RCT took part in the Your Voice Survey 2023 and told us about your views, thoughts and opinions on the topics that matter to you. We asked you about your community, including how you feel a part of where you live and how safe you feel in your local area. When asked, do you feel a part of your community? Just over 3/4 of you said you did sometimes feel involved and included. A fifth of you told us having more of an input in your community to help you feel more included. In terms of safety, 86% of you said you felt safe in the community that you live. Your most common suggestions with how to improve safety were additional CCTV, better lighting and higher police presence. Your voice will be used to help RCT Council, YEPS and other organisations to deliver the things that matter to you. If you want to find out more about Your Voice, you can click on the link below or scan this QR code.